Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
A de esser reduces harsh sibilant energy on recorded vocals and dialogue. Insert Logic Pro's de esser plugin on your vocal channel to begin. The de esser targets sibilants between 4 kHz and 10 kHz in most cases. Set detection frequency to a focused band and start with a -12 dB threshold for auditioning. Use a range or gain reduction of about 6 dB to taste while listening. Keep attack times fast and release times short for transparent control. Open your vocal project and insert the de esser plugin on the channel strip. Enable the listen or solo detector function to hear only the detected band. Solo the detector while you sweep between 4 kHz and 10 kHz to isolate sibilant content. Reduce threshold until you see about 3 dB to 6 dB of peak reduction on offending syllables. Set attack to fast and release between 30 ms and 100 ms for natural decay. Bypass periodically. For efficient results, learn typical vocal sibilance regions. Male voices sit around 4 kHz to 6 kHz. Female voices often concentrate between 6 kHz and 8 kHz, so adjust accordingly. Consider parallel processing for transparent control or use a sidechain compressor to duck only during sibilant transients. Automate threshold or range to handle varying performances across takes and sections. Try mid-side processing for stereo vocal stacks to avoid dulling side information. Finally, trust your ear.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.